everyone, welcome to GM-BIST construction. Today we are going to learn how to import our drawing to protaStructure and how to carry our settings and to insert our columns and our pins with our grid lines. So once you're in this environment, in your protaStructure environment, the next thing you go to, we are going to learn how to do all of this using our protaStructure version 2021. Click on external reference drawing, go to add. On the add, you know where to save your drawing, so I'll just come and pick one of my drawing here. Okay, let me go to my document. Under document, I choose one of the drawing as practice. I'll open and I'll activate it. So in this case, I'm not going to import my grid lines, my columns, and all of that. So I'll just click on OK. So you can see we have our structure here, but the columns and the grid lines are not here. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll go to my settings. So under settings, I'll come to my beam. Okay, I'll go to detailing, steel bar links. So I'll check this, making this. So print number of links, all of them. This one you highlight. Print total link quantity. Yes. Let me check this one too. Check it. So I'm done with that. The next one, I'll go to slab here. The slab design. So use center line span. I will leave that one. Go to my rebars. Yes, minimum should be 180. Y8. Let me take it to Y10. Y10. Then bar spacing 250 is okay because we're designing for the worst case. Slab steel bar cut length 1200 mm. It's okay. Appearance, show number of bars in label. I'll go to my labels. Beam dimension, beam density. Yes, I'll leave this one. Code. Steel design. These are the codes I'm going to use for my design. So I'm done with this. I'll click OK. And the next thing I will come to modeling. Yeah, let me go to analysis. Under analysis, building analysis, then pre-analysis. So the parameters. I'm going to design my foundation now. Now for my bearing capacity, I'll zone bearing capacity of 150 kilonewton per meter square. Vertical. I will choose low sand designing and the lower limit, lateral loading. Yes. So my columns are breast columns that build within the that are erected within the walls. They're not on breast. Then title, project header, my work made by engineer BA, check by engineer Ezra. Project number 1, date 26th January 2024. Okay. So the next thing, I'll go to loading combination. I'll generate my load. Okay, load case. Okay, I'm done with that. So I'll now edit my materials. So under my column and concrete column design, go to rebar, select or unselect. So I'll choose Y12 and Y16. My column design. I'm not designing for my shear wall, although I can still edit it. So let me choose just 12. Although it's not going to affect my design. Concrete beams, check on check. Y12 and Y16. Okay, for my slab, maybe just Y12. Links, check and uncheck Y10. It's Y10. So I will now go to my foundation. Under my foundation, I will select Y12 and Y16. It's Y12 and Y16. For my links, sorry, I've already edited it. Go to my bearing capacity. This one doesn't change, still Y10. Okay, I'm done with the setting now. Then I'll close. So the next thing I'll come to modeling. So my grid line now. Select my grid. The first one will be A. If I want the y-axis to be my number numerals, Roman numerals, or my numbers, I just type any one I want. So I want this one to be alphabet. So I click here, from there to here, the case may be. Then the second one. Okay, let's not change. So it will be B. B. The case may be. So I'm done with the y-axis. Now I'll change to the x-axis. 1. I'll come here, here, say change. Oh, I've missed the target. So let me undo now. I redo. Just click this one. Property. I will delete it. So let me look at the target. That will be at the center. We are done with inserting of our grid lines. Now you can see that in our structure here we have an expansion joint. Expansion joints are normally introduced only when the length of the building is up to 30 meters. When you have less than 30 meters, there's actually no need for your expansion joints. But when you have anything more than 30 meters, try to introduce an expansion joint either at the center or where you feel is suitable for the design. So we close this. The next thing, we go to our modeling again. We go to our concrete columns. Now the size of our wall is 230. Let me measure. Let me measure. 225. That's it from here. 225. Okay. So our columns now will be 2 2 5. So 2 to 5 by 450. 450. I want it to be at the center. So we'll come here. Reduce it. So this is how to introduce our insert our columns in our protaStructure. And the expansion joint, there will be 2 columns. So this for my design. So you can actually introduce or insert the type of columns here. This grid line actually means the target. You are coming to redo the grid line. Fix this. Okay. So little adjustment at that end. So let me click on this one now. I want this to get to the center. Update. Okay, I will now adjust it and try to adjust this. Trying to adjust it so that, let me see, 90. Okay, 110. Yes, so 110 actually meets the target. This is what I want to do at this place. So you can adjust your column to suit what you want to do. So let me adjust this grid line now. Come property, delete it. At the center now. So I'll pick this one. I use the same properties of the columns. Click here. Now escape. I come to this one. Go to the properties. Okay. So I'll now click on columns again. So the next type of column will be 2 to 5. 2 5. 2 to 5. Want it to be at the center. Click here. Click here. Click here. Click here. You can actually carry out your design. For my design, this I want my columns to be. You actually fix your columns the way you want. want another one to be here. I'll fix here. Here. At this place, if you wish, you can decide to fix all these columns 225 by 225 columns here. So this for just for practice. Actually carry out your design, your analysis, your modeling and analysis in a different way. This is just a guide. So we are done with fixing of our columns. Now we'll go to our beans. See our modeling. Click on bean. So the first type of bean will be grading will be 225 by 450. 450. That will be for the span. The next one we get here, here, here to here. Escape. Oh, well, missed the target. Let me undo. I'll use the properties of this one. Watch very well. Escape. So I want to finish with the 225 by 450 columns and beans. Then I go to another type of bean. So the expansion joint will stop at this place. Then you continue from the next column. Escape. Here. Yeah. Escape. 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 Okay. There's something I want to show us brief. Now these columns are special. The beans we are going to insert here. Let's try to check our dimension. Let's check the dimension. The length 7,350. Okay. So from our experience, we will be designing a bean of 225 by 600. Escape. Okay, we are done. Close. So let's edit our bean. Edit the wall load. So the unit weight of block Nigeria blocks 3 0.47 kiloliter per meter square. The height. Now the height is usually the height of the building minus the depth of your beam. So you have a beam of 600. We'll be using it for the whole building. So I want to do some little calculation. So the height of the building is 3,450 minus 600. So I have 2,850. So this is what we are going to use. 2.850 millimeters. So this becomes, and the wall thickness will be 0.225 meters. So when I copy this, copy beam wall load, don't highlight everything. And you can either right click and paste or Ctrl V. So paste. So this is how to insert your grid lines, your columns, your beams, and to edit them, and how to carry out some settings in protaStructure. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of our tutorial videos in all the engineering software. Thank you.